Imagine a place so ancient it predates Stonehenge by 6,000 years. Welcome to Göbekli Tepe, the world's oldest temple. 6 miles from Urfa in southeastern Turkey, German archaeologist Klaus Schmidt made a groundbreaking discovery. Massive carved stones, 11,000 years old, crafted by prehistoric people without metal tools or pottery. Previously dismissed as a medieval cemetery, Göbekli Tepe is now seen as early evidence of prehistoric worship. Standing stones or pillars arranged in circles, some blank, others elaborately carved with foxes, lions, scorpions and vultures. There is a stone ring 65 feet across, maybe the first human-built holy place. From this hilltop, we can see to the horizon in nearly every direction, imagining a paradise of wild animals and flowing rivers. Göbekli Tepe sits at the northern edge of the Fertile Crescent, attracting hunter-gatherers from Africa and the Levant. We believe this was humanity's first cathedral on a hill, a place of worship on an unprecedented scale. Using ground-penetrating radar, archaeologists mapped 16 other megalith rings buried across 22 acres. The 1-acre excavation covers less than 5% of the site, with archaeologists barely scratching the surface. In the 1960s, University of Chicago and Istanbul University anthropologists dismissed the site as an abandoned cemetery. In 1994, Schmidt read about the stone-littered hilltop and decided to investigate, realizing its extraordinary significance. Göbekli Tepe's gently rounded top stood out to Schmidt, who saw it as a gigantic Stone Age site. Schmidt and his team uncovered the first megaliths, finding no signs of settlement but evidence of tool use. Carbon dating confirmed the stone structures are about 11,000 years old, the same age as nearby sites. Prehistoric masons wielding flint tools shaped the pillars on the spot before carrying them to the summit. Once the stone rings were finished, the ancient builders covered them with dirt, creating the hilltop over centuries. Archaeozoologist Joris Peters has examined over 100,000 bone fragments, revealing a hunter-gatherer society. The bones indicate the people had not yet domesticated animals or farmed, but were on the verge of major change. Within 1,000 years of Göbekli Tepe's construction, settlers had domesticated sheep, cattle, and pigs. Schmidt argues that the effort to build the monoliths laid the groundwork for the development of complex societies. The monuments required hundreds of workers, leading to the emergence of settled communities around 10,000 years ago. Archaeologists theorize the site was not a settlement, but a place where early people gathered to build and bury stone rings. The pillar carvings depict menacing creatures, suggesting a world of fears these hunters sought to master. Vulture carvings hint at beliefs in carrion birds transporting the dead to the heavens, linking Göbekli Tepe to other sites. Schmidt believes the site's true purpose lies beneath the floors, possibly a burial ground or center of a death cult. Join us next time as we uncover more mysteries of the ancient world. Göbekli Tepe, where history begins.